Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade Uno. First, gather your materials. You'll need sturdy cardstock, colorful markers or crayons, and a good pair of scissors. A ruler and a pencil will also be very helpful for drawing straight lines and consistent card sizes. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on crafting your personalized game. Now, let's design your cards. A standard Uno deck has 108 cards. You'll need 4 colors: red, yellow, green, and blue. For each color, make cards numbered 0 through 9. Remember to include 2 of each number from 1 to 9 and 1 0 card per color. This ensures a complete and balanced deck for exciting gameplay with friends and family. Next, we'll craft the special action cards that make Uno so much fun. For each of your 4 colors, create 2 skip cards, 2 reverse cards, and 2 draw 2 cards. Additionally, you'll need 8 wild cards and 4 wild draw 4 cards. These cards add strategic depth and unexpected twists to every round, keeping players on their toes throughout the game. Finally, it's time to cut out your cards. Use your ruler and pencil to draw consistent card outlines, then carefully cut each one. Aim for a uniform size, perhaps 25 inches by 5 inches for a professional feel. For extra durability, you might consider laminating them. Once complete, you'll have a unique, homemade Uno deck ready for countless hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.